You have a wardrobe full of clothes, but every morning brings the same doubt. Nothing feels right. Nothing feels effortlessly you. UByDesign is your personal styling assistant, and it starts working the moment you install it. Right away, you have a starter capsule wardrobe, beautiful, complete, ready to style. Swap any piece to make it yours. Take a photo, pick from your gallery, or browse the app's own collection. Either way, the AI removes the background instantly. Your item, cut out perfectly, added to your wardrobe in seconds. Then, the AI Stylist gets to work. It reads your wardrobe, applies color theory, and builds outfits you might not have thought of yourself. A daily suggestion every morning. A complete outfit from everything you own. Or styling ideas built around one piece. The one you want to wear today. Plan ahead with the outfit scheduler. Know exactly what you're wearing before the morning even starts. And here's the detail that changes how you think about your clothes. Cost per wear. Calculated automatically for every item. You'll quickly see what you actually love, what earns its place, and what's been hanging untouched for months. When you're ready to share, export any outfit in your choice of format and background, and post directly to your social media in one tap. And your wardrobe is always safe. The backup feature archives everything. Your cutout images, your data, ready to restore whenever you need it. Free to download. Nothing to lose. Everything to wear. UByDesign. Your wardrobe. Your style assisted by AI. Download free, App Store and Google Play.